Now students, today we are going to start the lesson number, unit number 7, lesson make it shorter question answer. Now you can see the page number 130. So there are question and answer. So look in the book. Reading is fun. What did Akbar order one day? What did Akbar order to his ministers one day? In last session, in last video, we have seen the story, make it shorter. So what did Akbar said? Akbar said, Akbar drew a line on the floor. फर्श पर उसने क्या बनाया था? Line बनाया था. और he said, make this line shorter. Who said? Akbar said to his minister. He drew a line on the floor and he said, make this line shorter. So we'll write the answer. Akbar drew a line on the floor and said, make this line shorter. What he said? Make this line shorter. Next question is there. What did each minister do? What did each minister did? So each minister was puzzled. Everyone was puzzled. Think कर रहा था everyone was. So each minister was puzzled how to make this line shorter. How to make this line shorter. Okay. Next question is there. How did Birbal make the line shorter? How did Birbal make the line shorter? So Birbal drew another line under the first line. Birbal drew another line under the first line and he made the first line shorter. Okay. Now next is there, say aloud. Say aloud. Loudly हमें क्या करना है? बोलना है. Which letters cannot be heard when we say the words? So we have to underline those letters which are silent. Silent means उसका साउंड नहीं आता, उसका आवाज हमें नहीं आता. जब भी हम वो वर्ड बोलते हैं, whenever we say that word, we cannot hear that letter sound. Which letters are there? Let's see. First we will say it aloud. Short, short, shorter, shorter, bright, bright, brighter, brighter, dark, dark, darker, darker, light, light, lighter, lighter, big, bigger, big, bigger. Fast, faster. Fast, faster. So which letter sounds we have not listened? We cannot hear those sounds. Shorter. We cannot hear the O sound. Okay. Sorry, shorter. Here also O. Bright. इसमें हम G का साउंड क्या है? ग. G का साउंड हमने फोनिक्स सीखा है UKG में. वहाँ पर G का साउंड क्या है? ग. तो आता है क्या ब्राइट में? ग का साउंड नहीं है. तो G इज साइलेंट. साइलेंट मीन्स हमें उसका आवाज नहीं आता. मोबाइल रहता है ना साइलेंट पर, उसी तरह. नेक्स्ट, ब्राइटर. हियर इज ऑल्सो द सेम. डार्क. सो ए का साउंड ओ नहीं आ रहा है. ए का साउंड क्या है? ए. लाइट. हियर इज ऑल्सो द सेम. ग. ये साउंड हम नहीं सुन पा रहे. बिग. जो आर है इसका साउंड हमें नहीं आ रहा है. फास्ट. यहाँ पर ए का जो साउंड है वो नहीं आ रहा है. उसके लिए मैं एक फोनिक्स वीडियो आपको भेज दे रही हूँ. उसके बाद teen time. Now maybe you would be there in this class. We would have done this activity in the school, but now we are at home, so you will do yourself. So see here, discuss with your partner and draw pictures to show the following. Now here some clues are given. So taking by these clues, you have to draw the pictures here. Left, right. What is written here? Right. Okay. So see here, you can see there the ball on the left side. The ball on the left side. Where is left written? It is here. The ball on the left side is bigger. The ball on the left side is bigger than the one on the right side. Means the ball on the left side is bigger than which side? Which side? Right side. The ball is on the left side is bigger than the right side. Right side से भी बड़ा बॉल किस साइड का है? Right side का. So we will draw a ball, bigger ball here, and here will be only big. Got it? Next, second one is there. See, here is Rita and here is Radha. In the book, here is Radha and here is Rita. Rita is shorter than Radha. Which girl is here? Rita. And here is Radha. Two girls are there and they have compared with each other. उनकी तुलना की गई है. क्या की है? रीता जो गर्ल है इधर, रीता इज शॉर्टर. शॉर्ट टॉप. शॉर्ट टॉप. सो रीता इज शॉर्टर. शॉर्टर देन राधा. रीता किससे छोटी है? किससे शॉर्ट है? राधा से भी. तो रीता कैसे होगी? शॉर्टर. और राधा है वो टॉल होगी. सो सी हियर, I can't draw the picture, so I will make the only images. Okay. So you can see here Rita is shorter than Radha. So next is here, Raghu's basket is heavier than Ratan's. Now see here, you have to see the heavy and light first. This paper is lighter. This is heavier. जो बहुत ही वजनदार है ये, और ये कम वजनदार है. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. Now see here. Raghu's basket is heavier than Ratan's. Where is Raghu? Raghu is here and Ratan is here. Who is this one? Raghu. This one Ratan's basket. This is Raghu's basket and this is Ratan's basket. So what is the question? Raghu's basket is heavier than Ratan's. जो रघु की बास्केट है वो heavier than Ratan's. So हमें ज्यादा मैंगो को किस पर डालने होंगे? ये जो बास्केट है वो कैसी है? मैंगो की बास्केट है. Is heavier than you can draw it properly. I can't draw the picture. My drawing is not that much good. But Ratan's basket is not heavier. Only there are 3 mangoes, but in Raghu's basket there are 6 mangoes. So this is heavier than Ratan's basket. Understood? Last one is Rajat is taller than Raj. Now here is Rajat and here is Raj. So Rajat is taller. Rajat, Raj. Rajat is taller than Raj. जो रजत है वो राज से भी क्या है? ऊंचा है. So we have to try it taller. Okay. In this way you can draw it. Now here is a short story about a pencil. Let's see the story. And this story is picture story. Here are some pictures and the story is about that picture. And the name of the story is The Mouse and the Pencil. You can see in the picture also, here is a mouse and here is a pencil. Let's read the story. One day a little mouse was looking for something to eat. He found a pencil. I am going to bite you, said the mouse, and he bit it hard. You are hurting me, said the pencil. Let me draw you one last picture and then you can do what you drew a big circle. Is that a cheese? Asked the mouse. We will call it, you can see here, here is we and two lines are there. This is the short form, it is we will. This is the short form of we will. In this way we can write with the apostrophe. Okay, this is apostrophe. So we will call it a cheese. Who said this one? Pencil said. Said the pencil, and it drew 3 little circles inside the big one. That's an apple, squawked the mouse. Let's call it an apple, said the pencil, and it began drawing some funny curved things near the second circle. Why those are cucumbers, said the mouse, licking his lips. I wish you would hurry. Now here you can see you and apostrophe D is there. So here is you would. This is the short form of you would. This we can write this way. You would means in this way also we can write you would. I wish you would hurry. I simply can't wait. Now see here, you also see here. Here is apostrophe and T is there. So cannot. This is the short form. I simply can't wait to get my teeth into them. The pencil drew 2 little triangles on the top circle. Oh, squawked the mouse. Now you have made it like a cat. Don't go on. So see here. Now here is also you have. You have. This is the full form and this is the short form. We can write here apostrophes and have. We can write like this way also. You have. Here is also don't. So you can write do not. This is also short long form and this is the short form. So you can see here. Now here is the story of a pencil and a mouse. You can see in the picture. One day what happened? A mouse saw a pencil and he was thinking about that something I should get something to it. So he saw a pencil. He found a pencil. इसे क्या मिली? Pencil मिली. So he said, I am going to bite you. Bite पता है क्या? वो बोल रहा था I am going to bite you, said the mouse, and he bit it hard. And he bit it hard. उसने खाया उसको. So you are hurting me, said the pencil. तुम मुझे दर्द दे रहे हो. वो क्या बोल रही है? जब आपको कोई क्या बोलते हैं उसको? जब भी आपको कोई मराठीमध्ये आपण असं म्हणू शकतो की बघा चावल्यानंतर आपल्याला एखादं कोणी चावला हाताला किंवा कुत्रा चावला तर आपल्याला त्रास होतो. Likewise this pencil is saying that you are hurting me. मुझे दर्द हो रहा है. Let me draw one picture. Before that, let me draw one picture. And afterwards, what you want to do, you can do. Then mouse replied, yes, very well. So see what happens. The pencil drew a big circle. You can see in the picture also. Here is the pencil and she drew a big circle on the page. Is that a cheese? Asked this mouse. ये cheese है क्या? Because it looks like cheese. So he said, is this a cheese? Asked the mouse. We will call it a cheese. Pencil did not argue with him, and she said, yes, we can call it cheese. It's beside the big one. So first time what she did? She drew a big circle. After that she drew again 3 circles in it. Inside it. That's an apple. Squawked the mouse. वो क्या किया उसने? चिल्लाया और बोला ये एप्पल है क्या? Let's call it an apple, said the pencil. चलो मान लो ये पेंसिल सॉरी ये एप्पल ही है. And she started to draw the next one. Then afterward she drew another circle here like this way. Okay, and she drew some curves. See? Can you see here? These curves. Again this pencil drew some curves here. Okay, and then this mouse asked, why have you drawn these cucumbers? Cucumber means kakadi in Marathi. Why have you drawn these cucumbers? My lips are licking. Licking? इसे licking बोलते हैं. I wish you would hurry. तुम जल्दी से कर दो ये खत्म, मुझे तो खाना है, ऐसा बोल रहा है. The pencil drew 2 little triangles on the top circle. Then she drew. Can you see? अब भी लग रहा है क्या है ये? कौन है ये? कौन लग रहा है ये? कैट लग रहा है. So, oh, squawked the mouse. क्या किया माउस ने? बहुत से जोर से चिल्लाया और बोला, oh. Now you have made it like a cat. Don't go on. वो बोल रहा है ये अभी तो कैट जैसे लग रहा है. देखो कैसे ये कैसे लग रहा है अभी? This is looking like cat. Don't go on it. Means जब भी उसको वो पूंछ बनाएगी तो क्या दिखेगा ये? कैट ही दिखेगा. तो he said, don't go on. क्योंकि जब कैट आ जाएगा, जब भी रियल में आ जाएगा तो किसको खा जाएगा? माउस को खा जाएगा. तो माउस क्या बोल रहा है? Don't go on. Is it good story? Yes sir. So you have to read this story also. Okay? But the pencil went on. The pencil went on till it had drawn long whiskers and a mouth on the top circle. Now she made long whiskers. These are the whiskers. ये जो कैट की है इसको क्या बोलते हैं? whiskers. And the mouse cried out in terror. It's a real cat. Help! Now he is very afraid of that cat because it will eat this mouse. कैट किसको खाएगा? माउस को खाएगा. तो रियल में आ जाएगा तो मुझे खा जाएगा. तो वो बहुत घबरा गया. Now see, if you can draw a cat that looks like real enough to frighten away the mice. Means जब भी आप माउस को भगाना चाहते हो तो आप क्या करेंगे? एक पेज लेंगे और पेज पर क्या ड्राइंग करेंगे? कैट को ड्रॉ करेंगे. और वो किसको दिखाएंगे आप? जो माउस है उसको क्या करेंगे आप? वो पिक्चर दिखाएंगे. तो वो क्या हो गए? अफ्रेड, भाग कर जाएंगे. See, describe the cat in your own words. You can talk with your parents about the cat. So we will write about the cat here. Ears. Okay. It has a tail. Tail पता है क्या? जो पूंछ होती है उसको tail बोलते हैं. It has whiskers. Whiskers पता है? जो मूंछें होती है उसको whiskers बोलते हैं. Then again what else we can say? It has 2 eyes. You can describe its color also. You can say its color also. What does it eat? What does it eat? It eats. What does it eat? Mostly it eats mouse. Okay. Then again its color is white, maybe sometimes brown, black. In 3 colors we can see the cat. Again, what else? It has 4 legs. Okay. In this way you can describe the mouse. You can talk with your parents also in your own language.